Hi, I'm Dr. Petty with Carolina Chiropractic. I'm here with a client today. She has brought her son in because he is having ear infections. He has had ear infections before and you brought him in before, so you said, hey, let's bring him in again today.
Yeah, so I kind of just know the signs with him. Typically kind of gets a fever and complains of ear pain. The very first time he got one, I took him into the pediatrician. They gave some antibiotics. He refused to take them. And so we brought him to Dr. Petty to help with some drainage and just to boost his immune system. And it worked great, and he didn't end up having to take any of the antibiotics.
And you like getting adjusted, don't you, buddy?
Do you like getting adjusted by Dr. Petty?
Okay. All right. So now I'm going to show you what we're going to do real quick. All right, can you lie on your stomach for me, buddy? All right, so I've already actually assessed him to save a little time in the video. And real simple, real easy. We're just going to come here. We're going to drop your arms down, buddy. Real good, real close. And if you want to move in with the video, that would be good. You might hear a little bit more. Put your head right there, buddy. All right, just breathe in real deep and all the way out. You got it. Relax.
It's okay, relax. Put your head down. Good
You're
job.
okay. One more time, buddy. One more. Breathe in and out. Good. Lie on your back for me, okay?
Okay, roll over
Just
to
as
your
long
back
as
now.
moving. On your back.
Whoopsie.
Good. You okay? Good. All right. Let me sit right here if you don't mind. Perfect. Good. All right. So it's his left ear that's bothering him. So I'm just going to do a little massage on his Eustachian tube. This helps drain it. At his age, they're not quite down like they would be at my age. And so they're more horizontal, and so they just fill up with gunk and don't drain as well as they should. And so he kind of likes it. Some kids kind of like it. Some kids kind of don't. I'll be honest. And then what we do, real simple, after we drain the Eustachian tubes, is we adjust it. Okay? And so real simple, real easy. We're going to turn his head right here, nice and easy.
Great job.
You did great, buddy.
One
more right there. 1, 2.
Great
Good.
job.
And we're just going to do a little distraction there.
It's
Pulling
okay.
it up. Good job.
You
All done.
did.
Excellent. Thank you. Y'all have a great day and follow us for more videos like this.